Why is it hard to make it going short in markets? Well, markets generally tend to drift up over time. Yes, sure, we'll have corrections and pullbacks, but if you zoom out to the broader trend, things are moving up. So, why is that? Well, a couple things. We have population growth over time. So, there are more units of input producing in the economy, spending money that is eventually drifting into companies and going into the stock market. Governments are also printing money. So, global M2 is increasing. We've seen a huge clip of M2 increase over the last several months, which is on a 3, maybe 4 month lag and is just starting to trickle into the system right now. And then also, companies get more efficient over time and they increase their profit margins. So, right now, we are just at the cusp of a big efficiency boom via AI in terms of just workforce getting replaced, which is a whole other conversation. And as a society, we're going to need to do something about that to retrain people or figure out what to do with mass job displacement. But I know several folks in the tech industry where they are replacing teams of 10, 15 engineers or programmers with 3 or 4 people who can supplement and increase their productivity through AI. So all of that trickles into markets and leads to them going up over time. There are also other smaller factors like companies doing stock buybacks to increase share price and things of that nature. So all of that factors into why it's so hard to make it as a bear. I would say if you want to break it down simply, 80% of the time markets go up. That's not an exact figure, but just to give you a round idea. So if you are going to go short, first of all, favor the long side of the market. Your journey as a trader and investor will be far easier. If you are going to go short, look for clear patterns and have targets set for yourself so you know when to get out, and set strict rules for yourself, or make sure we are definitely in a bear market or a correction period. And there are other strategies you can employ instead of going short. You can sell covered calls and things of that nature to hedge your position. But anyway, that's just my thought for today. It's hard to make it out there as a bear. Favor the long side of the market, and your journey will be much easier.